quick unboxing of a Samsung microwave oven. Here's the full model number, 800 watt microwave. So I have taken the oven from the box, and yes, actually judging by box design, this micro oven can be equipped with dial control or just a plain buttons as you see here. But yes, basically this oven was chosen on more or less on a design basis. This white color fits nice with our kitchen overall design, and basically it was also the cheapest of the Samsung ovens. Here is a little bit more of a technical info on the back. So, and this is a 23 liter micro oven, so it's not the smallest one also. Okay, I will peel off those stickers and see later on how it works. So this is microwave without any stickers. I have already connected it. So the content of the package itself was quite basic. You have a manual, of course manual, and warranty card, and just this rotating plate as usual. So here are all the dials and all the options. I will not go through them all, but here we have also options of some available presets, so you can here just choose a necessary preset of this list and then just press start. Okay, it's great, it's not working without the closed doors. This is a great safety feature, of course, as I believe it's standard on all microwaves, but yes. Can stop it. So yeah, as I said before, this is a 23 liter volume here, and yes, also I have to mention that this model does not come with a grill function. As we have a separate oven, we thought that this feature would not be necessary. What I didn't like from the start is that this power cord is, I would say, rather short. I think it could be a little bit longer, but yeah, overall for this I think budget microwave, the design is, in my opinion, quite pleasing. Yes, and we paid for this micro oven 66 euros, and for this price I think it's quite sufficient basic functionality oven, micro oven.